guys, welcome back to my channel, to aroushworld. Today we're going to open a GLOWPAD. And guys, do you know when you press this button right here, it will make your picture alive. So now let me show you the back. There's a lot of drawings. See? And it's telling us we can erase. So guys, now I'm going to show you the front. They come with two markers. One is here. Oh, look, there's two markers. One is blue, one is pink. So let's get started. Wait a second. 1 or 2 years old, they can also draw with this, and they can have help with their mom or dad. So let's get started. So let me see which ways have to be to open it. Oh, this way, guys. Is there this side? Oh, it's there. I think so. It's too hard. I would try this way. So guys, let's have tape. I'm super excited. Let's put this in the bed. And now let's do the magic reveal. On here, guys. And these are the markers and stuff. And they're gone, guys. Oh my god. I think so. This is the instruction. So we need that. We need that to make our. I see there is a screwdriver. I think so. We need batteries. I think so. It has batteries and a screwdriver. I think so. This is going to be in the back, I think, or next. So let's have it right here. Lock it. And let's see what. Oh, look, guys. It's so what? What is this? It's a tablet, and it looks like a tablet, guys. Oh, it's just the board. There I see. Let's open it. Let's open it to have more a link. So guys, I think so there's tape, so I'm going to pull it off like this. And now they're on the bed. Oh, look, see that? Oh my gosh, this is not a tablet. There I see, this is not a tablet. So let's see, what is else? This is cardboard. Let's put cardboard here. I can't wait for the markers to come. They are here. So here is the thing. So guys, I think so this is for to clean everything, our drawing. So we have to clean right here, and this is the spot to clean. Right here. See that, guys? So let me hold it for a second for you to see how it looks. It says a word, and it has some triangles at the top. See? So there, let's see the markers. Look, the markers, guys. It's just the same in the box. Let's see. Blue and pink, see? Blue, pink, see that? So let's open our markers to see. Let's have a closer look at our markers when we open it. Ooh, I'm going to get the pink one. So guys, see? Pink. They're like teachers in the class. Guys, do you remember what's my favorite color? When you said pink, you got it right. So guys, look. It's like a rainbow color now, see? So I'm going to add them here and add them in the box. And guys, let me check, is there anything else in there? Nope. So let's put the box down. Wait. We can't get this down. We have to copy their patterns. So guys, I'm going to copy this pattern pattern and this pattern, both of these, and this. Okay? So I'm going to add them here. And now I'm going to get my pen. And then I'm going to choose pink. So I love pink. So guys, let's test our board out. Can we go? Let's put it. Huh? Nothing is happening. Oh, now I forgot. So it's for free battery. I'm going to ask my mom or dad to give me batteries. So guys, I add a battery. You can have some help with your mom or dad, or you can do it yourself if you beg. And here is the battery. So they're free batteries. So now we're going to close our batteries with this. And then I'm going to screw it back on. Whoever, you can use a big brother or a big sister to help you, or your mom or dad. So guys, it's going good so far. It's going smaller and smaller and smaller. Guys, I'm doing it myself super perfectly. I had to squeeze it like this, twirl and twirl and twirl. So guys, now I'm going to press it super tightly. And then the battery will get out. Oh, guys, in there. Let's add our screwdriver right here if we need to get anywhere. So guys, let's see if it works. So now let's draw something to test it out. So see, I'm going to use pink, and now I'm going to make a heart. So guys, now I'm going to close it and press the button. Oh, guys! You like it? Look, red. Red is good. Then green. Then purple. There's blue coming. So now, let's wipe it off with our DIY eraser. Look, it's actually erasing, guys. Let's see. Now we're going to copy this picture. Let's see, can we do it? Copy. So I'm going to use that pink and blue at the same time because they're in here. So let's add it here, and let's see, what is it? Ooh, a rocket ship with a fish. So first I'm going to make the rocket ship right here. Here's the rocket ship. So now I'm going to make it with pink, the outline, because the little boy is too small and he did the circles instead. So I'm going to use pink. So now it's right here. So guys, is it like this? No, it's not. It has to be like that. Guys, you have to copy super carefully. I am going to do it carefully. So guys, I did the line, and now we're going to make a triangle like this. Like this. See that? These guys are matching. Guys, I need to see, guys. So now, guys, now we're going to do the body shape. So let me see. Guys, am I doing good so far? Is it going good? Is it going good, guys? So, is it like this, guys? So now I'm going to make the arms. Is it like a rocket ship, guys? Is it called the same like this one? Guys, now I'm going to try to make a small dot like this. And do you know what are these? These are going to be the windows. These are the dots and I'm making one. So let's take our eraser because I had to erase this. Oh, it erases all itself. Oh my gosh. It's super hard to do because about the outlines, guys. So I'm just going to go super carefully. Hear that noise? It's erasing. So now I'm going to erase this because I had to make it more better. I hope that my arm don't go here. It's big. Good. So guys, now we're going to make a star right here. So here is a star. The star is different because it's like this, but I did up. Like this. I did it like this. I did it like this differently, guys. So now there's a star right here because it's the same right here. So now, oh, you hear it? Can you hear that? Now we're going to do a lane for the rocket ship. So now we're going to do like this. We got these, and then like this. So guys, so it's matching too. But guys, this is a bit too far because see, this one's a bit close. So I'm gonna rub it off, and you can tell your grown-ups for help if you need any help to draw. You can ask your mom or dad, whoever's good at drawing. And then you can say, you can tell them make a rocket ship for you. Ooh. Wait guys, you have to do this. Look, see? The edge. Cool? So now we have to keep it like that. So now let's make the sun. Guys, you can see my face inside, see? I got a little flower on top. Actually, the flower on top is a headband. Well, we are not going to talk about that. We are just going to carry on what we're doing. So guys, I don't know how to make a fish. So you can actually grow it to fishing. So now you can do it like this. Okay? So guys, we're going like this. Like this. See that? So now I'm going to color it. They didn't color it because they didn't want to. They wanted to see the black, but I'm going to do it pink. See guys? Is that perfect? And it looks like a rocket ship. So guys, now we're going to put the fire coming out. Oh my gosh guys, it's getting the same. This is the easy part guys. Let's see guys, we made that rocket ship. So now we're going to make the sun right here. So it's going to be right over here. Okay guys, you see that? Now we're going to color in. So look guys, I made a circle. So now we're going to color our circle in like this. See? So now we're going to close our pencil and make the lines pink. My favorite color in the world. Do you number your finger down? My favorite color is pink. So now let's add the lines. So the lines are super thick. Let's see our sun. So now I'm going to try to make a fish. So let's copy this. I am not perfectly, but I'm going to teach you the most. So now let's start. We're going to make the fish here. So now we're going to make a triangle like this. See that guys? So now we're going to make a jumbo like that. See that guys? See that? So now we're going to make this. Huh? Guys, this looks like a fish to me. No, it looks like a chicken. Uh-oh, guys. But don't worry, we can do our imagination. We don't have to do the same. This looks like a bird, so now I'm going to do this to make a stick. And then I'm going to make the legs. You see that? Cute. It's cute. First we're going to make a cross like no, like this. So let's get this cross. Okay guys? So now we're going to... So guys, now somebody did some dots and I don't know who did that. So now let's copy the dots. It's like a heart. The tail is a heart. Now I have turned it my way. Oh my gosh, it just went to me super perfectly. And it stops when it's on me. Oh my gosh, guys. Push now. Do you see that? It's a fish. So guys, now we're going to make a top. So here is our fish's top. See that? Now I'm going to color in blue. You can use any color, but I'm going to color mine. Guys, we're going to color this bit. Guys, now we're going to put the paint down and take our blue and color it in. Best part ever. So now let's color our bluish. Now let's color it super quickly. So I'm going to color from the eye and I will make a new one. So guys, now we're going to make my name. Because you guys are so sweet. And do you know guys, do you know my name is in the channel logo? A-R-O-U-S-H. So guys, that's actually my name. And do you know what's my name, guys? My name is Arush. So guys, this is my name, and when I do W and O and R and L and D, it will make my channel logo. So let's make it. So the first one is W. So let's make space first. W, and now O is turned. Now we're going to use R. And now we're going to use L and D. So that's my channel logo. It says aroushworld. To watch my channel, search for my name. A-R-O-U-S-H. aroushworld. And write the same thing in the top. Guys, now this is how my creation looks. Is it look awesome, guys? Yeah? Do you see it? Is it beautiful? Now I'm going to add the lights. So let me add the lights. So guys, now we're going to set it down and press our buttons. Are you excited, guys? Are you excited? Red is coming. Now green is here. Now pink and purple. Look, see, pink and purple. See, those are my favorite colors, guys. You know, maybe I will float the light off, and then we can see how it looks now. So, guys, let's see how it works. So, guys, it's glowing, guys. See? Look, guys, it's changing color. Let's see the wall. Guys, look at the wall. When I set it down and press it again. There's so many beautiful lights. There's this color. Now put it like this. And then, now let's press it again. Oh my gosh. Guys, now I can see you. See that? I Do you like it, guys? So guys, this is the step. So if you want to do it again, you can do it all over again. Adding a safe place, and then when you want to draw in the board, don't use a piece of paper, use this. This will make you draw easily. And you can razor it off, and then you don't have to use a lot of paper. So guys, now I'm going to show you how many colors. So let's turn this off. So, blue one. Oh, it's turning different colors, guys. So, the super quick blue, and then green. 1, 2, 3 colors we have. I think so. It's only have 3 colors. Okay, guys, 3. The light is 3 colors. See that? It's going back to the same one. See? So, guys, now there's red coming. Now green coming. Is that cool, guys? Cool? See that? Oh my gosh. See that? All that greenness. And guys, I hope you like my drawing, and I hope so you learn something. Did you learn anything? You can learn something hard, and if you want to use, if you don't have it, buy it from shopping center. And guys, which drawing do you like the best? This one right here. Oh, these ones. So guys, when you are finished with it, eraser it and keep it safe in your toy cupboard. And keep them safe like and click the red button and subscribe if you like my channel. So guys, keep your toys safe in your toy cupboard, or if you don't do it, your mom and dad will be super sad. They will say, uh-oh, you don't look after your things. And then they won't buy you any more toys, and that will make you sad. So guys, our mom and dad give so much money to them, and we have to take care of it super hard if we need to. When your mom and dad says play with your toys, you have to play with them, or then your mom or dad will be sad, very sad. If you finish the debt, erase it, and then put it on inside your toy cupboard and take care of it super good. If you don't, your mom and dad will be sad. If you do, your mom and dad will be happy. So at least your mom and dad spent too much money for your toy. They use super hard, but they make you happy. You also have to be happy. Okay, guys? So take them out and share it with your friends. Play with it. Enjoy. And also, I think so I got a little idea. You know what? How about we can cover you with a box, and then you can go in coloring land? Is that a good idea, guys? So when in the end we're going to, if I erase it, the box will match. If I erase our drawing, and then the box will magically go to you, and then you go to coloring land, and you can color lots of things, and you can bring it with you. Guys, is that a good idea? Erase it because it's going to magic the box. Okay. So guys, we're going to erase it. And guys, look, it's making a galaxy color. Thanks for watching. Bye.